Okay, everyone, so this is the battle everybody's been asking for. I had the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm shooting this in 4K at 60 frames per second. Just walking around my parklet, a slow pan. Which one has the better colors to you? Which one has the better audio? Yes, I'm going to just switch it back and forth. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. What I'm seeing on the phones right now, the Galaxy is more punchy, more saturated, while the OnePlus 7 Pro is more natural, but these cameras are usually subjective. Which one do you like the best? Look at the cloud. Now, on the OnePlus 7 Pro, I only have 5-minute limit at 60 frames per second. On the S10 Plus, I don't have a limit. Shout out to Samsung for a win there. Bam, do y'all see any focusing problems? I don't, but everything looks good so far. Y'all let me know how I sound too. Look. Bam. Which colors do you like? How's the stabilization? Let's go for a walk. Which one's more shaky? Again, I'm just holding the phones. Bam. The grass is high. They really need to cut the grass. But I guess since the kids are not playing football, they really don't care. But football's about to start up again, though. At least I think it is. I'm going to come back with 4K at 30 frames, so that way we can see which one looks the best at 30 frames per second. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Galaxy S10 Plus. What y'all think about it? Again, how does that sound? How does everything look? Again, Samsung has the more oversaturated colors, while the OnePlus has more natural. Which one is your favorite? Y'all pick. Again, like I said, how does that sound? Which one has the better mics? That's why I do these camera tests, so that way you can do your homework and pick the phone that you want to pick as your favorite phone, and then pick up a phone. Now, the nice thing about both phones right now, I can zoom in with just a press of a button. Let's see if I can actually make that happen. Bam. Now, on the S10 Plus, I'm at 2x zoom. On the OnePlus 7 Pro, I'm at 3x zoom. Yes, the OnePlus is a little bit more shaky. Let's see if I can go back out. All right, now, the one thing the S10 Plus has that the OnePlus 7 Pro don't, look at that, wide angle. I can't do that on the OnePlus. That really does suck. Hopefully an update comes soon, I can actually fix that. But again, I'm back out. How does everything look? Let's walk around. Let's check out the stabilization. Yes, that's the minivan, by the way. How's the stabilization at 30 frames per second on both phones? How does both phones handle this wind? Now, I'm going to come back with a nighttime video in 4K, and I'm going to probably just do this comparison in 4K, and then come back with like 1080p in a different video, just to break it up. Try something different. If you haven't checked out my unboxing video or my 24 hours later video, check that out too. But I'm going to be right back with the nighttime video. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second at nighttime on the OnePlus 7 Pro against the Galaxy S10 Plus. Shout out to Walmart over there. What y'all think? Again, I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. How that sound? Let's try to zoom in. 3x zoom on the OnePlus. 2x zoom on the Galaxy. Which one looks the best? Which ones look shaky? They both actually look pretty shaky, but y'all let me know. I'm gonna go back. Let's go walk around. What y'all thought about this whole 4K video challenge or battle, whatever you want to call it? Bam. I'm gonna come back and do a whole nother video on 1080p video and maybe even photos. I'm not sure yet. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see. Look at the ground. I might put them all together, or I might just keep videos and then do one just on the photos, just to give y'all different type of videos. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. and I will definitely do it. But yeah, I want to do something different, at least with the 4K video. Just do a battle really quick and see which one actually does a better job. And people do like low light pictures and videos. I don't really take too much during the nighttime, but every time you get a new phone, people are always asking about low light. So what y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both phones. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.